Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing y'all another cleaning hack. I'm going to show you how to use one of the oldest ingredients that you probably can get. I like keeping one of these under my kitchen sink. It does so many different things, but today we're talking about cast iron sink. I'm going to be using this borax with a little lemon juice, and I'm going to show y'all what it'll do to your sink. I'm not sure about all sinks. You'll just have to test it on your own sink and see. But this right here works miracles on your cast iron. This is one of the oldest cleaning products that can do so many different things. I'm just going to mix it up in this little mason jar. And I'm just going to make a small batch just to clean the sink today. I'm going to clean our kitchen sink and our bathroom sinks. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of a borax, and then we're going to take just this Dollar General lemon juice, and we're going to take that, and I'm going to put 2 of these little caps in it to start with. And now we're just going to mix this together. Okay, I'm going to add 1 more cap. So that's 3 tablespoons of the borax. And we're going to have 3 little caps of our lemon juice in it. Borax is the old-fashioned cleaner and product that we've had for years and years. Used to, you could find the green box with the little girl on the back, on the front of it. But mostly nowadays, we've got the white boxes, and it has like a field with a little green cloud above it. But this has been around a long time. And you can use this to do a lot of different projects with. Okay? That's what it looks like. Now let's go clean our kitchen sink. We're just going to take and sprinkle some of that in there. And not much. It don't take much at all. And now I'm going to wet this little scrubby that we've got, and I've got a video showing you how to make these scrubbies. And now we're just going to clean this kitchen sink because it looks awful. And now this right here, you can tell that's where our cast iron rubs up against our sink whenever I'm washing them. Okay, I'm just going to scrub it real good. Get that drain good. Okay, now I'm going to add just a couple drops of Blue Dome. And we're going to work that borax and that lemon juice in that white sink. Okay, y'all see that spot right there? Look how that's coming up. Adding just that little bit of Blue Dome in that just gives you like a little soap lather that you can scrub it in there good with. Okay, we're going to rinse that and see how it looks. And if y'all like these little scrubbies, go and look up that video. I'll try to remember to link it down below on this video, where you can go and look up how to crochet yourself a homemade scrubby. Okay, I've got to dry my hand off so I can pick my phone up. Right there is the results we got using our homemade cleaner that we made with borax and lemon juice. And then at the end, when you're scrubbing it, just add you a couple drops of Blue Dawn. And look at the results you get. I think that looks pretty clean myself. What do y'all think? Comment down below if you might use it. And my sink is a real old sink. It's just a white cast iron. But I believe you could use it on stainless steel. Just regular porcelain sinks. Just do your research before you try it. But it works great on a cast iron sink. Well, y'all, I hope you liked this video on using this old-timey product that's been around since 1891. You can do a lot of different things with this one box. When you go to the washing powder aisle next time, look on the bottom, around the bottom shelf somewhere, and you'll find the borax. It's probably around $7, maybe $8 for this box nowadays. But you will be amazed at what all you can do with this one little box. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Hit that hype button. It helps our channel get out there and our videos get showed more often. And if you hadn't subscribed already, hit that red box down below. And like always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our video on hydrogen peroxide.